We have an international incident on our hands.
Whatever it is, I'm not doing it.
A radicalized military group.
They're intelligent. They're dangerous.
And now they're sending a message. Welcome back.
I said I wasn't doing it. You nervous?
Why the hell would I be nervous? You're in this with me.
Move! Move!